right, got the last of the T-post in for my brother's fence. Looking good. I don't know if you guys know about this little trick with fencing, but you don't need to use string lines if you square off your first 3 posts, and every single one after you stand 20 feet behind it and you try to straighten them out. You see, all of them are straight right now, except this guy right here, which I just recently put. So let me show you this guy. They're a little bendy up top. Move them just a little bit and line them up with the rest of them. Yeah, boy. And if you can put your pole in the middle of every other pole and you only see one pole, your shit is straight. Finished putting a bunch of fencing over here too, and underground fencing for the rodents. Been putting in work today. Still got to go put some concrete foundation post over there, but we're on it. We're on it. Gonna pick up the supplies here and head over there.